Why choose overnight oats?
Overnight oats offer a quick, nutritious breakfast that's easy to prepare. Simply mix oats with milk or yogurt, chill overnight, and enjoy a creamy, fiber-packed meal in the morning. They're full of energy-boosting whole grains, customizable to your taste, and perfect for busy mornings. With endless flavor options, overnight oats make healthy eating simple, satisfying, and delicious.
How to make basic overnight oats.
Start with a basic overnight oats recipe. Combine half a cup of old-fashioned oats with half a cup of milk or yogurt in a jar or bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds for extra fiber and nutrients. Cover and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, stir, add more liquid if needed, and top with your favorite mix-ins for taste and texture.
Berry Almond Bliss.
For a fruity, nutty start, try Berry Almond Bliss. Add a half cup of mixed berries, like strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, to your oats before chilling. In the morning, top with a tablespoon of sliced almonds and a drizzle of honey. This combination offers antioxidants, healthy fats, and natural sweetness for a refreshing and nourishing breakfast.
Peanut butter banana crunch.
Satisfy your hunger with peanut butter banana crunch. Slice half a banana and mix it into your prepared oats. Stir in a tablespoon of peanut butter before refrigerating. Come morning, add a sprinkle of granola for crunch and an extra banana slice on top. This combo provides lasting energy with protein, potassium, and fiber.
Apple Cinnamon Delight.
Enjoy classic comfort with Apple Cinnamon Delight. Before refrigerating, stir in half a diced apple and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon into your oat mixture. In the morning, add a few walnuts or pecans for crunch and healthy fats. The apple and cinnamon add natural sweetness, while nuts offer satisfying texture and nutrients.
Tips for perfect overnight oats.
Customize your oats for taste and nutrition. Use any milk, dairy, or plant-based, and switch up fruits, nuts, or seeds. For added protein, mix in Greek yogurt or nut butter. To avoid soggy oats, keep the ratio of liquid to oats about 1:1. Prep several jars at once for effortless breakfasts all week.